Now let's introduce how to use the controller. You can see here screens. Screens means pressure tank mode. Hold time. This is the hold time. This is the squeeze time. This is the welding time. Welding time. This. All are welding time. It means here. Up one, U1, welding one, H1, E1, D, down slope, cooling time, U2, H2, U2 are these data. Okay. And here is ampere. Here is 1145 ampere. Here, this load ampere is what we detected, the real ampere. This current 1200. This are what we said is here. I1, I2. Here means here. Welding 1, welding 2 is this ampere A. And this time is 3 millisecond. Here is limit. Limit we said it's percentage. Minute is what we said, the percentage. That means if the real current higher than 9% or lower than 9%, it will alarm us. If we want to change, if we want to set the parameter, we choose here, program. When we get program, we can change the parameter. This is mode. One controller we can save many modes for different product. You can see here. In different mode, it will save different parameter. Now we expand here. If we want change, we just press like this. This is squeeze now. Okay. Here, if you want to change bigger, it goes bigger. After change, we can try. You can see here, wait off. When we press here, the head will move, but no current. When we open here, it can weld. You can see now. We did not put the battery here. The real current is very small. If we see the real current is like this, that means here is open. No battery current. Okay, if we want set parameter, then we just move. I think it is easy. Okay, thank you.